In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Google Maps route. We'll walk through the process on a mobile device, keeping everything simple and clear so you can quickly return to the same directions whenever you need them. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Give it a moment to load and make sure you can see the map centered on your current location or a familiar area. If the map looks off or stuck, a quick refresh or reopening the app usually fixes it. You'll use the search bar at the top for everything that follows. Next, search for your first destination. Type the place name or address in the search bar, then choose the correct result from the list. This will open the destination's place card, where you can see details like the address, hours, and reviews. Confirm you've picked the right spot by checking the thumbnail map or the brief description so you don't save the wrong location. Now choose your preferred mode of transport. From the destination screen, open directions so you can access the route options, then pick the mode that fits your trip, such as driving, transit, walking, or cycling. Each mode may show different routes and times. Driving often highlights the fastest roads, transit shows bus and train options with schedules, and walking or cycling may suggest safer or more direct paths. If multiple routes appear, swipe through them and select the one you actually plan to follow. This ensures the route you save matches your needs. With your route on screen, look to the bottom panel and tap the Save button. On many devices, this appears as a save option with a bookmark-style icon at the bottom of the place or route card. When you tap it, you can choose a list like Favorites, Want to Go, or create a custom list name that makes sense for you, such as Daily Commute or Weekend Trip. Saving here lets you quickly return to that destination and route setup later without rebuilding it from scratch. A couple of quick tips to make this stick. Give your saved item a clear list and name so you recognize it instantly. And keep your app updated so the Save button and route features appear as expected. If you switch phones or use multiple devices, signing into the same Google account helps your saved items stay in sync. That's it. You've opened Google Maps, searched your destination, picked the travel mode, and saved it for easy access next time.